Hello, Batman. You can't win, Batman. You want some? Come get it! Tell you what, Batman. What?
You're finished, Cobblepot.
No, I'm sorry. Please, don't hurt me.
I can't guarantee that.
Me neither. I tried to help you, Batman. I gave you the opportunity to end this and walk away, but oh no. You had to be the big man. Well, guess what? From up here, you look pretty small. What the hell are you doing? Stop that! No! What the hell are you doing? Oh, you're asking for it now. Let's see how much that ugly son of a bitch can take. Oh, that looked like it hurt, didn't it? I don't think you wanted to do that, did you? Oh well. Enough with the bloody explosives! I mean it! I don't think you wanted to do that, did you? Oh, well. What have you done? You little... You can't kill him! You can't! Well, what do you know? You really can't kill that bastard!